Okay, so here today we have the unboxing of this bumper, and once I get it all unpacked and out of the packaging, I'll get back. So it's unboxed. We got an instruction guide, got the bumper, got the brush guard, license plate holder, some hardware, and the shackles. And this is what we're taking off today. So here we are on step one, remove the rivets for the splash guard and remove the rivets for securing the frame cover. So here, down in here, we're gonna pop these out. I'm just using a screwdriver. There's a special tool for it, but I'm not gonna waste my money. And then back here, there's a couple here, and then I gotta do the other side still. So I'm just gonna show you how I remove these with the screwdriver. So, just put the screwdriver in that little groove, and I just twist it. Pops a little, pull it, then I just pull the whole thing out, and then that's the other side's retainer. Here's the splash guard removed. It had these like plastic retainer clips. I'll pop in and out. They'll go here across the front, and then just two 8mm actual screws that held it in here and here, and then all those plastic retainers all went up in here. All right, so there you go, we're done. Some things that didn't record, in the process, they're pretty self-explanatory. I did not put this on yet, and I'll tell you why. It's a problem with the product. Right here, you see, I kind of got rid of it. There was a bead there. It was preventing the bolt from going in cleanly. And so I kind of stripped it out, but not really. And the other issue is I didn't have a, what size is this? A 10, I believe. Calls out for a number 8 Allen wrench. I don't have one of those handy, so I don't want to strip anything out. But you go under here. This is where it's gonna mount. There's plenty of room here. To get that done. The other thing I did not mention is earlier I showed you the disconnected harness from the bumper. Not required. Just disconnect this one right here on the passenger side and just push down, slide the connector out, good to go. I'm gonna cover that, some electrical tape. The only other issue I had, and this is a Jeep thing, not a bumper issue, was these plates right here specifically, they get held on right here, and then there's one on this side right here. You don't have to mess with these to get your bumper on and off, but when I took it off, these holes were not aligned. So this plate and this plate were not aligned, so it was kind of difficult to get it off, and then I cut my finger. But I took a picture. I'll post the picture in this video as well. When I get to this part, so you can see how far off it was. But all I did was just loosen this on this side and the one on the other side, and this moves pretty easily. Realigned it, retorqued it back down. It's torqued to 30 foot-pounds. Torqued that, and good to go. All right, thanks for watching.